And you guys know that I got scammed and I've been hacked. And recently I just got something very, very upsetting to me. And but just now I traded for something incredible and I got it by this amazing person. Go gift her, go do everything to just be nice to her because she's amazing in every single way possible.